This place is so good. That chicken's so good. You will lick your neighbor's finger, rabbit. Cause so good. We are here at the original Pollos Asados, Los Norteños, the best chicken in San Antonio, the best chicken in Texas. We drove 1.5 hours to come here because it is super delicious. All right, done. I cannot feel my left butt cheek. Is that normal, guys? It's all numb. Seriously, this is really intense. Chu đỏ có.
We're gonna go hiking with my husband and the brother and the sister.
Where are we hiking?
You might have a
Hills.
lot of people on the trail already.
Oh, really?
Hills of Light, I
Last
think.
time I was
Hill
out
of
there,
Light.
like at 7
In
Austin,
Hills of Light,
Texas, right?
Austin, Texas.
already.
So it's gonna be a beautiful day today.
Beautiful day. What's the weather, honey?
And this is the one in the back.
Show Layla Hazy, man.
Oh, t-shirt. She's ready.
She's ready to hike.
She's ready because she does what she want to do.
That's what she want to do. She was born a hiker.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. We are here in Austin, Texas. We're hiking a trail called Hill of Light. Yes, and right now, just 1, 2, 3, 4 of us, 5 of us. David right there paying for parking. Group leaders right here. Group leader. Group leader, take us to the promised land. Say funny. He said she's a group leader. Okay, our group leader.
Short. With short, everybody wear long sleeve. She wear short.
Group leader.
Lucky bring hoodie up, hoodie job.
Oh, you're lucky you brought the hoodie, man. You're in trouble. Yeah, so we're gonna have a nice 5 mile. Wait, 5 mile back and forth or 5 mile one way?
5 each.
That was 2.5 one way. Anyway,
To 7 miles.
it's gonna be a nice trail exercise, but we're going to San Antonio afterward to get some good chicken, and then we're gonna get some matcha as well. Really, honey? Oh wow! My wife's so mean.
Like she's swimming.
Oh,
No, she
Pat.
run like she's swimming. She go like this.
oh, chunked out. She's so bad, honey.
See, because you put your license plate on the zone. Because that's specific.
All right, guys.
Because you have to reserve it in time slot.
Yeah.
So, probably it's okay. They're not going to think about it.
All right, guys. So here's where we're at. And this is going to be a nice walk, nice trail. You got to watch your feet. It's very slippery. Come slippery, Amanda. Yeah, it's slippery. I worry about you the most, bro. Good morning. Chip, what am I early bit? No? Be careful. When you're on these trails, you need to really be careful, guys. បងប្អូនប្រយ័ត្នណាបាទថ្មច្រើនណាបាទ trail នេះបងប្អូនត្រូវប្រយ័ត្នខ្លួនណាបងប្អូនបាទឥឡូវពួកយើងបាទយើងដើរ trail យ៉ាងតិច5ម៉ៃបាទទៅដល់ហ្នឹង5ម៉ៃមកវិញ5ម៉ៃបាទបងប្អូនយល់ទេបងប្អូនឥឡូវពួកយើង5នាក់បាទ This is really intense. You have to be in great shape to do this, and I'm in amazing shape. That's why I'm able to do this. So if you guys come here, you have to be in good shape like me. You understand? You need to train for 3 years just to Lele train for a month. Tom that yeah. I hardly hears about it. This is really intense, guys. One thing about Austin that I love is if you like the outdoor and trailing and hiking, this is the place for you, Sugar Boo. This is incredible, guys. I want you guys to wish me luck because this is starting to freak me out, guys. See, you guys have to be really careful, guys. Like, I'm talking about careful, man. You see that? You gotta use your hands. You wanna use your hand, you gotta use your hand, okay, guys? Do not be afraid. Stay focused, right, Lele?
Yeah.
You stay focused.
Baby, be careful. Be careful, baby. Yeah, the trail is just very challenging, okay? If you're not experienced like me, do not attempt this trail ever. Okay, guys?
Yeah, Bong. That's how they walk like that.
Yo, what you mean like Bigfoot? Bigfoot. Bigfoot.
You're concerned about Bong Bin though.
I need, I like that. I'm really concerned about Bong Ben though. God, that's wild, man. My beautiful wife right here in the back. My brother-in-law in the back. Our two group leaders in front. I'm with group leader. I'm with assistant group leader. I'm with group leader. I'm with assistant group leader. I hear waterfall, guys. I hear waterfall. Just a tuck. Wow, that's beautiful. There you go, guys. Beautiful waterfall. We'll go a little closer. Look at that, guys. Beautiful waterfall. That's pretty nice, huh? Beautiful waterfall, guys. Look. Look at that. That's a beautiful waterfall right there. Are you happy that we're together, babe? Huh?
Okay.
Are you are you happy that we're in love?
Oh, really? I never be in love.
We are. That's nice. You don't want to fall into that.
I was gonna swim in that.
That's nice, man. Man. That's pretty. Welcome to Austin, Texas. This is really intense, guys. This is really intense.
This one is like a
It's like yeah.
Poison ivy.
Huh?
cow poison ivy.
It's not a poison ivy.
Yeah, Mopac, Mopac.
Happy.
Normally I start from Mopac and then all the way over there.
Chứ bạc cho nhớ cái nhông à. Khỏi tay nhớ cái nhông à. That's dangerous, leh. I think we witnessed Bigfoot right there, guys.
Bigfoot. Hold on, Lay.
We witnessed Bigfoot right there. Okay, I think we witnessed Bigfoot. Be careful. Mùi muối leh.
Vô thung thung vô.
Oh.
Lăng ấy, yeah.
I think they block somewhere.
Chẳng hả? The blocks of the water don't flow?
I don't know because it rained at least have a little water.
Yeah, right?
It's super dry like this.
Yeah, I know. I'm very shocked, guys.
No, I never come.
This is such a big disappointment, okay? Because I've been here so many times, and this is the first time I've never seen water, guys.
Floating around in there.
What a big disappointment. This is my backyard. This is my hood.
I usually tie
Maybe
the
somebody got hurt
rung
and
with
they
the
divert the
2,
water.
3.
Oh my God.
Divert the water because somebody got hurt over here.
That's
Probably,
what I
yeah.
said.
Because people party over here, bro. I'm one of them, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Those
Back
three?
then, me and Lei used to party over here.
Yeah. I'm definitely, you know.
Yeah. Me?
Mà chuột cái cha chuột này là ngay.
It's a good place to sit and snack, David. Come on. See, every morning, I'm always here, man. I'm always here enjoying nature every morning. Welcome.
Come back down.
Yeah. All right, guys. So on our way back to the car, That was, oh, we are? Okay. I thought we were going to the car, but nope, we're not done yet. And so we got another trail.
To the car, bro.
My baby wants some chicken, right, babe? No? You beat down? So you're not as adventurous as your husband? Hmm? Told you. I used to run track when I was in elementary school. This is a very intense trail.
Yeah.
This is really
far is that one?
intense. Yeah. You know, I'm used to this kind of hike though, babe. I've been doing it for years. Ah, guys, it's so nice here, man. Look at this. Simply amazing. That is so cool. Yeah. It's a big group. Good morning.
Whenever I go back to Germany, especially in the summertime, and I'm like, wow, this is how a tomato actually.
9:30.
Hello.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Almost there.
It's okay.
Have a good day now.
Have a good day. That's what we call trail etiquette, guys, okay? When there's a small lane, you need to stop and have the big group crossover first. It's called trail etiquette. Do you understand? Hello, sir. Shishia. Shishini. Ice cold water be good right now. This is crazy, man. I went from a 1-pack to a 6-pack on this trail. How's your experience here, baby? You like the trail? I cannot feel my left butt cheek. Is that normal, guys? It's all numb. Seriously, this is really intense. All right. Oh, yay. Ngoạp là ngồi sân.
Okay, we have 5 miles.
5 miles? Wow. Man, that was intense, man. Holy shit. Oh, cold water.
Five mile like incline.
Yeah, that was
Coming
tough.
back. Going down's okay, but
Yeah.
coming back, the hard one.
That was tough, babe. What's your experience, baby? Describe your experience. Huh?
Like,
How was it?
Coming back is a hard one.
It was a hard one, right?
Because you're incline up.
Incline up. Yeah, that was tough. Yeah. But it was a good workout, right? Do you recommend anybody come here?
Everybody can come. It's
Yeah?
fun.
It's fun?
Yeah, just
But
prepare.
you know what? It's fun, but I'm like, about to faint. That was super intense, man. Oh. So tomorrow we're cooking crawfish. And we're doing an Asian style, according to my sister back there. She was so confident that we're gonna make Asian style crawfish boil. And then she later say, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, it's okay, Lele. But I mean, Lele, I'm glad we have her, man. I don't think she'll be so bored. Yeah. Los Norteños, Los Pollos. Yeah, Los Pollos, Los Norteños. So they have the best grilled chicken. A whole chicken costs you $20, right, babe? Right? Well, how would you rate it, babe, on a scale of 10?
Chicken 10.
10? Yeah, 10 out of 10, yeah. I mean, we drive an hour and a half to eat there, so you know it's good. And then I'm gonna take them to this matcha place. It's like Japanese, or Korean? Japanese? Japanese matcha place. It is awesome, man. They have Japanese latte, matcha latte, Matcha ice cream, matcha coffee, matcha tea. Yeah, it's gonna be absolutely the best. Saying driving the car, and then David's right here. We're gonna go San Antonio. What a nice day, man. Nice day to drive to San Antonio. ថ្មច្រើនពេកយើ Huh? I know 1 month preparation ផង She thinks she's preparing for Mount Everest or something. Alright guys, so this is the best chicken place, man, ever. Pollos Asados Los Norteños right here in Rigsby, San Antonio, Texas, guys. I'm gonna show you their little grill place. It is so cool, man. Guys, we drive an hour and a half to eat at this place because it is chef's kiss delicious. Okay. The grilled chicken here is charbroiled chicken. It is so good, you will lick your fingers and your wife's finger. That's how good it is. This place is so good, the chicken's so good, you will lick your neighbor's finger, right, babe? Because so good. We are here at the original Pollos Asados, Los Norteños, the best chicken in San Antonio, the best chicken in Texas. We drove 1.5 hours to come in because it is super delicious. All right, done. There you go, man. One of the best place to eat grilled chicken. This is the real deal, Holyfield. This place is so good. The chicken is so good, you will bite someone's ear. It's so good. We're here. I see they're remodeling, honey. Nah? Babe? Come here, babe. So the line is long, guys. The line is super long. So this is the original location. It's nice and small, but man, it's packing up some flavor here. You got people coming here from all over the world, man, trying their chicken. They have the best, absolute best tasting chicken ever. And so again, y'all come to San Antonio, you definitely want to try this spot, man. You will not regret it, I promise you. The food is super, super delicious, and I think everybody loves me. Let's get some chicken. Just, I'm like, everybody left me. Huh? Liang Dai. I think we need 3 chicken. What do you think, bro? 4? No, I don't think so. 4's a lot. Do 3 first. 4's a lot, trust me. 4's a lot, babe. You do 3 first, then I will get some more. Do 3 chicken. How many jalapeno? How many jalapeno, bro? Say. Yeah, 10 jalapeno, 3 onions. You okay? Yeah. All right, guys, so we're back at it again here at Los Norteños. Pollos Asados, Los Norteños. We're back at it again, guys. Water for everybody, but we know what we want. Oh, Coke. Okay, water for everybody. Let's do 3 whole chicken.
Okay, did you want to add the beans?
No, 3 whole chicken. Let's do 10 jalapeno, extra jalapeno.
How many extras?
To 10, 10, 10. And then 3. We love jalapeno, and that is right. By himself, he eat 9 jalapeno by himself.
Oh, wow.
Right there.
Okay, what else?
And 3 onion, 3 grilled onion.
3 extra good onions?
The rice come with that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it comes with it. That's it. I think that's it.
Texas Tech playing Florida today at 5.
Oh, yeah?
And then Alabama playing Duke tonight. That's a good game.
Yeah.
But your team is
Tech?
ranked number 3. Yeah.
Texas Tech?
Yep.
We are waiting patiently for our chicken, right, babe? We're waiting patiently for a chicken. Yeah? How many pieces you gonna eat? How many pieces? A whole chicken? Yeah, all right. Oh God, you are not eating a whole chicken, baby. Or that maybe 5 pieces at most. No, 3 pieces at most. It's worth it, David. You're gonna love it, David. Man, this is super, super awesome, guys.
Extra.
This is gonna be amazing. It is so freaking good, David. You're gonna be like, what? Huh? Yeah. All right, guys, look at that. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, I just kind of. I like the way they make their rice.
Wow. Vẫn đang chơi ôm một tí.
Maybe I didn't get to eat these yet.
Yeah, almost. Yeah. Okay, but-
Oh, the onion's good.
Bro, the grilled onion's the best, man. Your first bite will always be the best bite.
They don't do the meat anymore.
The best
They bring it over, right?
chicken ever.
Oh.
Mm.
No, it's okay.
Mm.
Maybe I can get one. Is it extra or include? Their bean is good, guys. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, okay.
Like that.
They go in the line.
Mm.
Mình làm thế này.
No, the line.
Không.
I tried to
Đó.
squeeze it and it just went out my hand. I get like
Tell me what you think, David. Oh, you did. Tao bao nhiêu món nữa? Mm.
just have straight chicken
Okay.
by itself.
We are not playing around, guys. We are not playing around. Huh? Is that it? 3 nights. You're gonna show them San Antonio the way I know it. So San Antonio is my backyard. I bet. Hala pita, aha, say. Hala. The best ever. I could eat a whole chicken by myself. Right, babe? Mm. Mm. I'm gonna try this thigh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Bye. It's okay.
Mà hết cái nó không ăn đâu cái gì.
Bóng à. Buồn. So this is the aftermath, guys. Look. Before and after. This after. Everybody's satisfied. Everybody is satisfied now. 3 whole chicken. That's all it takes, right, baby? Just 3 whole chicken.
So it's 4 too much.
Huh? 4 too much. What would you rate it? Be honest. Out of 10, 10 star. Out of 10 star, how many point you give? How many stars? Out of 10.
I give them 8.
8? That's not bad. Ocho. Okay, so 8 star. David, how many star? Out of 10? Huh? 5? 8 or 9? Yeah, see? 8 or 9. So, you know, my brother, he's a 10. I don't have to ask him. He is a 10 out of 10 because we come here too often. So let's recap. Everybody had the best chicken in Texas, I think. Right, babe? I ate 5 piece. My wife, 3 piece. 3 piece? Okay. Saying maybe 6, 7 piece? 1 piece? No. 1 whole chicken. one whole chicken. David, maybe 3 piece, David? 3 piece?
I got one of each.
1 of each? At least 6 piece. Oh, not yet. At least 6. No, it ain't 3. No. 3 piece? No way. Chum.
Chắc mà I eat more. Yep, you cook them all.
So may I? Okay, me 1 whole chicken. Say 1 whole chicken, and everybody split the chicken. Yeah. So, anyways, you guys must come to. You guys must come to Pollos Asados Los Norteños if you guys want the best delicious chicken in Texas. We come here all the time. Thank you so much. Gracias. Thank you. And super happy, satisfied. Alright, guys. So we're here at this Matcha cafe place, and they have like matcha everything: matcha tea, matcha ice cream, matcha coffee, matcha latte. Let's check it out. Damn. Wow, the line is crazy, man. The line is wild. Wow, today is so busy, guys. This is Saturday, and we have a lot of people here trying to get matcha ice cream. Damn, today beli chana.
And they got a gift shop.
Yeah. Okay. Doggy, what you ordering? What do you want? No, right here, babe. Yeah, all of it to here.
And then we're gonna get the large one for the matcha. Can you do mix? Matcha and oil. And then for my brother, I think that's what he want too. He want the large. Give him the large one also too.
So 2 large mixes.
Uh-huh.
Anything else?
Lele.
He want ice cream, regular ice cream.
Oh, ice cream on the cone.
Yeah, on a cone.
Matcha.
The much, too much.
Can you do mix?
Mix in a cone.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Anything else?
And then this one right here.
Me want much too.
You want mix also?
The
It's one of the large ice creams.
Okay, I think my brother, but last one. Okay. We have one more, right?
Yes. She's grabbing it right now. If you want
Okay.
to just wait.
Yeah, that's cool. Him.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Take care. Okay. Bang Lele, go Tom. Waiting. We're waiting.
What do you get?
Okay, thank you.
Look how many people, guys. Look how many people. Look how many people.
ឆ្ងាញ់តែអត់សូវផ្អែម
I'm about to break my ice cream cone.
Yeah. This piece of bomb. Little chip is kind of. Refreshing, man.
ញ៉ាំទៅ I'm waiting for I order my other one
Her thing. She like it. It's good. It's a mozzarella cheese.
I got mozzarella.
Yeah, deep fried mozzarella. She like it.
They say they have at the Costco but they have with corn right
I mean, tomato,
potato tomato
I have it in the cup and in a cone. It's only like,
you want a cup some cup ហ៎
it's like so fragile.
បងញ៉ាំ slow លេញ៉ាំលឿនជាបងឯងសុំកែវាមួយហ៎ Yeah That's all they have ការងារខាងកន្លែងហ្នឹងឯងមានតែ big one right there ដាច់របស់វាមែនតើ
Lele nhạc bên here nè. Cái tên Lele. You know how to lick your ice cream. Oh, see? I didn't they didn't let ice cream mình. Oh.
Lele
Nap there. Hold it. You're napping. Hold it.
Ô nhầm luôn hàng kế
Fast, man.
Lele Vô sao sao
Tôi chạy một cái đáy nhau cha để tịch
Bon đây vậy Take your eye
They're full.
Okay
I'm not gonna tell my wife no.
Mozzarella is garbage, dude. I like mozzarella.
Dạ nhưng châu chỉnh
This is the best.
Breaded mozzarella is good.
Đây do chopstick thôi rồi
Yeah.
Bên Costco tụi Lele hả? Oh yeah
Look, 'cause I am full from the chicken.
Con viêm say heavy á bọn
Yeah.
Đâu nói mà chờ mà sai chờ big
Oh, chờ quá rồi đấy.
You have to have one, everybody have one, so you take one